everyone, if you saw my last video on this channel, then you'd know that I was having some problems with the battery and that me and my dad replaced the generator, hoping that would fix it. Unfortunately, that was not the problem. So we got our buddy over here, tested the voltages, seeing where the generator is sending its power and if the battery is getting any of that power. And so we believe that it is a problem with the voltage regulator. So, got a new one right here, Bosch. Hopefully it works, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. Alright, I have now moved into my stunning garage with my beautiful table full of old generator, parts. It's beautiful. Here's the engine. So, as always, the first thing you want to do when you're dealing with electrical components in your car is make sure the battery is disconnected so that you don't shock yourself. So how I'm gonna do that is take this off, remove that, and then just separate this and put it behind here. Because if these connect, then I'm gonna die. Okay, so got this behind here so that it's not gonna touch this and then spark and go crazy and kill me. Now I just unscrewed right here and right here to dismount this. I can move that around. Now, this is the new one. I just need to match it up and transfer the wires. So I'm thinking 2 here, clip on here, 1 here, one here, here, and then there's a screw on right here, screw on right here. So we'll see how it goes. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I did get it in. Got all that stuff hooked up. This brown wire, it's for the ground. I guess it just has to be connected to the metal. So I put it under the little anchor thing right there. This thing is hot, and it runs. She runs beautifully, and it was a success. So stay tuned for more.